myself Amisha on behalf of Future Point. Today I am going to give a detail about our online sessions that we are providing to all of the students. Like, as you all know that due to this COVID-19 pandemic issue, no one is able to take classes, either it's school institutions or it's IELTS institution. No one is allowed to provide classes. ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਕੰਸਰਨ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜੇ ਚੱਲੀਏ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਸੋਚੀ ਆ ਕਿ that we are providing online classes to our students so that ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਦਾ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਨਾ ਹੋ ਸਕੇ. So as you all know that what is IELTS? IELTS generally means that International English Language Testing System, in which there are 4 modules: reading, writing, listening, speaking. ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ 3 modules ਦਾ ਪੇਪਰ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ the rest one speaking is conducted on the another day. So what I will explain you that what the reading, writing, listening, speaking are comprised of. First I'm going to talk about reading. Reading comprises of 3 passages in which you have to complete in 60 minutes. As the rule for the reading section is that you will not provided any extra time to write down your answers on your answer sheet, so you have to write your answers side by side. Like, if you have found the answer, then straight away write your answer on the answer sheet. For moreover, like, to manage the time, हम अपने बच्चों को यही कहते हैं कि अपने मतलब कि हर पैसेज को आप 20 मिनट्स में कंप्लीट करने की कोशिश करो, ताकि आपकी टाइम मैनेजमेंट भी हो जाए और उसके बाद आप अपने आंसर्स को भी साइड बाय साइड नोट कर सको ताकि आपका एग्जाम छूट ना जाए. नाउ मूविंग टू लिसनिंग सेक्शन. Listening comprises of 30 to 40 minutes audio which is played in your headphones, that will be given to you, and a paper booklet will be given in which there are questions. The questions are divided into 4 sections. Like, each section consists of 10 questions. The types of question that came in listening is like MCQs, blanks, true false, matchings. Maps may also be included, like you have to find the location, they will say the names. Now moving to writing section, there are 2 types of writing, like task 1 and task 2. Task 1 consists of graphs which you have to perform in 20 minutes, and task 2 is comprised of essays. Mainly you have to write 250 words, and the task 1 you have to write 150 words, and you have to complete the task 2 in approximately 40 minutes. So like this we have to manage our time. So now moving to speaking. The speaking module may take 15 to 20 minutes. Like, मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम 15-20 मिनट में आपका स्पीकिंग हो जाएगा, जिसमें से 3 पार्ट्स हैं स्पीकिंग के. फर्स्ट वन इज इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट, वेयर दे विल आस्क यू सम क्वेश्चंस दैट आर रिलेटेड अपॉन यू, लाइक योर हॉबीज, योर फैमिली, योर होम टाउन, like these questions. Second one is cue card. Cue card, topic card will be given to you with some follow-up questions that you have to prepare, and this you have to prepare in 1 minute and give this, like, dictate your answer in just 2 minutes. Give a speech about 2 minutes. And the third part is discussion. The discussion will be done only on the cue card parts. Like, if the cue card is on law, then the discussion will also be on the law topic. It also consists of 2 to 3 minutes. The introductory part and discussion part 2 to 3 minutes, and the cue cards in only 3 to 4 minutes. ठीक है, तो अब like as I have said कि COVID-19 की वजह से काफ़ी हम क्लासेस नहीं दे पा रहे हैं, किसी को कोई नहीं ले पा रहा. schools are also off, institutions are off. So we have thought an idea that why not provide online classes to our students so that उनके studies miss ना हो, as IELTS require a lot of practice. So why to miss it? Like, in our online sessions, we have divided our online sessions into 2 classes, like the morning sessions as well as in the evening sessions. In our morning session, we keep the speaking module and the writing task module. As in the morning we are fresh, अच्छा होता है, मूड अच्छा होता है, इवन आइडियाज़ भी बहुत सारे जनरेट हो सकते हैं. इसलिए हमने क्या किया है कि स्पीकिंग को हमने मॉर्निंग में लिखा है ताकि स्पीकिंग की प्रैक्टिस बहुत अच्छी हो सके. यू कुड गिव गुड स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस हो जाए. उसके बाद राइटिंग टास्क ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्स सम क्यू पॉइंट्स दैट यू हैव टू राइट डाउन. So the writing and speaking will be conducted in your online sessions, first morning online sessions, and the left one, reading and listening, we perform in our evening online sessions. Like उसमें क्या होता है कि teacher will be there in your apps that like Zoom meeting app or GeoMeet app, जहाँ पे teacher आपको tips देंगे, they will discuss with you the answers, they will dictate you answers, they will take your doubts, they will clarify each and everything, आपको practice भी देंगे, आपको even the notes have been provided to you, the books will be provided to you so that you could do your practice as much as you can and perform better on your exam day. I hope you all are safe, आप सुरक्षित होंगे अपने घर में. So if you have any queries about our online sessions or if you want to join us, so please call on the given numbers that you have been provided below. Thank you.